What's up, everybody? Mandy and I have a challenge going on where we vlog 1 minute every day. We woke up, gave Kenny some love, gave Ellis some love, had some coffee, and then I took a practice drone license test. Then we started cleaning out the shop with Jake.
I can't wait to get you home so you can play your favorite song.
We've been staying with Jake for a little while in Clear Lake. He lets us park a camper so we get to stay in the camper. And we also have been renovating the Jayco. There's Mandy's skate skills. The shop was so clean that we could ride a longboard all the way around it. And I finished that day making a couple boards for the upper cabinets in the Jayco. All in all, a good day. Good first vlog. See you tomorrow.